Testimony in Karen Reed's highly publicized retrial is underway. Both sides also delivered opening statements to the jury today.
This is the second bite at the apple for the state in the death of her Boston cop boyfriend. NBC 10's Katie Benoit recaps the court action today in Dedham. Katie?
Jean Patrice, opening statements are not considered evidence, but they are like a roadmap of what both sides plan to show in the case. And this time around in the trial, witnesses are being called in a different order.
There was a light dusting of snow. The Lexus tire spun backwards. She went backwards at least 70 feet. She clipped John O'Keefe. He fell backwards, hit his head, broke his skull.
Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan laying out the details of the Commonwealth's case against Karen Reed. She's accused of hitting John O'Keefe with her SUV and leaving him to die outside a Canton house party. But her defense claims there was a cover-up and someone inside the home is responsible for his death.
There was no collision. John O'Keefe did not die from being hit by a vehicle, period.
The Bristol County woman is still facing 3 charges, including second-degree murder, despite a series of appeals following a mistrial last July. Alan Jackson pointing out the lead investigator in the case, Trooper Michael Proctor, was fired last month.
A cancer that cannot be cut out, a cancer that cannot be cured. And that cancer has a name. And his name is Michael Proctor.
Meanwhile, prosecutors played an interview of Reed on Dateline during openings.
Well, could I have done something that knocked him out?
Firefighter Timothy Nuttall was the first to testify. He responded to the scene that morning.
I hit him.
The defense challenged inconsistencies from his prior testimony in the first trial. Also, Kerry Roberts, who helped Reed search for O'Keefe, took the stand for a short time today, recalling a phone call with the defendant early that morning.
Kerry, John's dead.
And supporters of Reed do continue to gather around the courthouse, but the buffer zone is bigger this time. One man was arrested today for trespassing. Live in Dedham, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.
Now be sure to look for my daily debrief with Katie and our legal consultants every day after 5 o'clock on our NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel. Also on NBC 10 News at 7 on television. And if you want to watch it live, gavel to gavel, that's also streaming on our NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel every day of court.